I'm not gonna cough in there. You think I can't pinch off a cough? So we are actually here looking for...
Uh-oh. Looks like I'll be doing the talking.
No.
We will be looking for a castle.
So, sorry, you caught me a little off guard is all. So you're looking for a castle. Is he all right?
Yeah, he's okay. Well, yes and no. You know what it is? He's a mongrel. And that's why I've always been the talker. Oh boy, did you hear that? Yeah, here he goes. Here he goes. Yeah, we have to keep him in the basement. Down there, there's barely anything left. That's what he's saying. There's nothing left down there.